The SPRINT-MND MS PhD program was launched in 2017 as a result of visionary investment from Chief Scientist's Office of Scotland. This PhD program is pan-Scotland, brings together 5 universities: St Andrews, Aberdeen, Dundee, Glasgow and Edinburgh. It has a focus on 2 clinical conditions, motor neuron disease and MS. The initial commitment was for 6 PhD students. With the goodwill of these universities, we were able to double that to 12.
For me, the best part about being a PhD student on the SPRINT scheme was the interdisciplinary nature of the programme. It highlighted how the programme linked together basic scientific research with also the social sciences, and it made it very clear how there are links between different neurological conditions, and it made us speak with other colleagues and really expand our sort of scientific community.
I think for me, one of the most important things was that all the projects were very academically ambitious, and they were all really important and very interesting projects. I know quite a few of us had papers that we were able to get out of them, and we also got to present our work at different conferences. And I know different people were able to go on and write reviews and articles for scientific magazines and do internships at the Scottish Government. And as well as that, there was a lot of things like the Pint of Science. It enabled us to communicate with people from the public, and we also got to take part in evening events at the Anne Rowling Clinic, which again was very researcher to patient specific, to be able to create communication between those 2 communities, which I think was really important for me personally, and I think a lot of people from our groups.
Well, because the SPRINT programme was Scotland-wide, it provided the opportunity to meet a lot of students from different universities, which was fantastic. We got to travel a lot, so it was great seeing the first MRI scanner in Aberdeen. We did a great public engagement event there too. When we travelled to Glasgow and St Andrews, we got to meet some M&D MS patients, which was really insightful and motivating for us as scientists to hear about their lived experiences.
During the life course of this program, the feedback from the graduate students, who are all of the highest caliber, has been outstanding. 10 have graduated, all have gone on to excellent employment, whether it's in Scotland, California, in the charity sector, or in the academic sector. I think to me this underlines the commitment of Scotland to continue to invest in and develop the next generation of scientists who will help translate discoveries from some of our great ancient universities into benefit for people living with these very tough conditions.